Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your search engine to Google in Brave browser. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once it launches and you can see the main page, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice three horizontal lines there, which is the menu icon. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu, and from the options that appear, click on Settings. This will take you to Brave's main configuration area where you can customize various aspects of your browser. Once you're in the settings panel, take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll see several options listed vertically in the sidebar. From this menu, click on Search Engine. This section is specifically designed for managing how Brave handles your search queries and which search provider it uses when you type something into the address bar. Now, within the search engine settings, look for the section labeled Search Engine Used in the address bar. This is the key setting that controls which search provider Brave defaults to whenever you search directly from the URL bar at the top of your browser. Right beside this label, you'll see a button or link that says Change. Click on it to open up the list of available search engines. A new window or drop-down will appear showing you all the search engines that Brave supports. Browse through this list and click on Google. This selects Google as your preferred search provider, which means all your future searches from the address bar will go through Google instead of whatever was set before. After selecting Google, you'll need to confirm this choice. Look for a button that says Set as Default and click on it. This finalizes your selection and makes Google the permanent search engine for your Brave browser. From this point forward, any search you perform using the address bar will automatically use Google's search results. And that's it. You've successfully changed your search engine to Google in Brave browser, so now all your searches will go through Google whenever you type in the address bar. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.